Fantastic frogs, nature's amphibious wonders. They hop, they croak, they swim, and some even fly. Frogs are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these small but mighty amphibians. What is a frog? Frogs are amphibians, which means they can live both in water and on land. There are over 7,000 species of frogs around the world, found on every continent except Antarctica. They're part of a group called Anura, which means without tail, unlike their close cousins, the salamanders. A frog's body is perfectly adapted for jumping, swimming, and even climbing. With strong hind legs, sticky tongues, and bulging eyes, frogs are built to survive in a wide variety of environments. Life cycle of a frog. Frogs go through one of nature's most incredible transformations, metamorphosis. It all begins with eggs laid in water. After a few days, tiny tadpoles hatch and start swimming around. At this stage, they breathe through gills, just like fish. As they grow, their bodies begin to change. Legs sprout, lungs develop, and tails shrink. In a few weeks to months, depending on the species, the tadpole becomes a full-grown frog, ready to hop onto land. Where frogs live. Frogs are incredibly adaptable. While many live in wet environments like swamps, ponds, and rainforests, others survive in dry deserts and freezing mountaintops. Each species has evolved unique traits to survive in its habitat. Take the desert rain frog. It absorbs water through its skin and only comes out at night. Or the wood frog, which can survive being frozen solid during the winter. Frogs and their superpowers. Frogs have some wild abilities. Some are masters of disguise, blending perfectly with leaves or tree bark. Others, like the flying frog, have webbed feet that let them glide through the air from tree to tree. But not all frogs are friendly. The poison dart frog, for example, has enough toxin in its skin to harm predators, or even humans. Thankfully, most frogs are harmless to us, and many are essential to keeping insect populations in check. Frog communication. Why do frogs croak? That sound is mostly made by males, trying to attract mates or defend their territory. Each species has its own unique call. Some sound like whistles, others like barks, and some like musical notes. Some frogs inflate their throat sacs like balloons to make their calls even louder, especially during mating season. Frogs in danger. Sadly, frogs are in trouble. Around 40% of frog species are threatened with extinction. Pollution, habitat loss, climate change, and disease are major threats. One deadly disease, chytridiomycosis, caused by a fungus, has wiped out entire populations. Scientists are racing to protect frog habitats and find solutions before it's too late. Why frogs matter? Frogs play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They control insect populations, provide food for other animals, and even help humans. Chemicals found in frog skin are being studied for new medicines and antibiotics. By protecting frogs, we also protect our planet's health. Frogs are more than just leaping legs and croaking calls. They are vital, vulnerable, and downright amazing. Whether in a rainforest or your own backyard, frogs remind us of the beauty and balance of nature. So next time you hear a croak, take a moment to appreciate one of Earth's oldest and most remarkable creatures. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.